Happy Thanksgiving, guys! I hope you have a wonderful day, and when I put this up, it will already have been Thanksgiving, so I guess I should say I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Let me know what your favorite dessert was or what you guys ended up doing for Thanksgiving. But in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I got this look. Let me take my glasses off so you can see. I'm really liking this glow, by the way. So if you want to see my Thanksgiving look for this year, just keep watching. It is very early in the morning and I'm not ready to be dressed yet. I'm going to start with this mask because I just feel like my skin needs a little bit of extra help this morning. So I'm using the morning goggle eye mask. This is supposed to brighten and protect. It's made with silver, caffeine, algae complex, pumpkin, and pomegranate. We'll see how this goes. I love all the stars on it. That's so cute. Wow, that is so cold. I feel like Wonder Woman right now. So I'm gonna leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes and then I'll peel it off and I'll be back. So I was looking at the instructions and it said that I don't have to wash it off or anything. I just massage the remaining serum into my skin. So I'm going to do that really quick. Oh, my eyes feel so much better. I feel so much more awake. It's amazing what those morning eye masks can really do for you. I'm using my KYPRIS glow serum to get a nice glow and primer for my foundation. I just am really needing that extra help today. I also want to make sure that my makeup lasts because I'm not going to have time to touch this up today. I love the holidays. So I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I'm in the shade Soft Beige. Oh, I'm using a BoxyCharm brush. It does blend out my foundations really well, so thank you so much for 800 subscribers. We're getting there, guys. So I actually didn't go too full coverage today. I actually like this. I'm going to use my HUDA BEAUTY the Overachiever concealer because this is a really nice full coverage concealer. Much better. Now you can actually see what I'm doing. But it's looking a lot better with that mask. I feel like it definitely did give my skin a nice glow. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but this stuff is so heavy coverage. I'm gonna go so lightly. I feel like I'm doing one of those Instagram videos. Yes, bring the light to my under eyes. Wow, I'm really liking how my skin is looking today. It sounds so vain. I'm not trying to be vain, I promise. Really like this brush, by the way. More so than I thought. I just did a video on the Hourglass glitter pots, so I'm going to be using one of those today. So I'm going in with my NARS Soft Matte Concealer to prep for that glitter. I love them, you guys. I know they're a bit pricey, but they are perfect for the holidays, and I just keep on getting the cutest looks with them, so I'm actually going to use them today for Thanksgiving. I'm going to set everything in place with my DERMABLEND Illuminating Banana Powder. It's a little bit more of a brightening powder because it has that banana shade in it, and I really would like it. And I need it right now. So to contour my cheekbones, I'm going to use my GIRLACTIC bronzer in Cabo. It's pretty much the only shade I can use to contour right now. I'm going on top of that bronzing powder with this setting powder from JOUER. If you have textured skin, you will love this powder. I want to do like a whole video on this too because ever since I got this, I have not been able to put it down. I cannot get enough of this powder. I'm using my Essence Brighten Up powder just to, whoa, that was a lot of powder. Just to set my eyes one more time before I go in with my eyeshadow. I'm just using my Anastasia Brow Wiz to do my eyebrows really quick. And then I'm going to set it with my ColourPop Brow Boss Gel. I'm pulling out an eyeshadow palette that I have not used in such a long time. This is the one by Lawless. It's a vegan, cruelty-free eyeshadow palette. I'm going to start off with this casual shade and I'm just going to build up a nice crease shade first. Next, I'm going into this warm brown shade, and I'm just going to build up the outer crease a little bit before I go in with my crazy colors. Now I'm going to use my KIKO Magnetic Impact eyeshadow. This is in the shade 105. This is a very, very intense copper eyeshadow, and I'm going to put this all over my eyelid before I go in with my glitter pots. I mean, this stuff is intense. I'm going to go back into Complicated and kind of make sure that all that is blended because I don't want any harsh lines. I did bring it up pretty far too. I'm not being shy. I'm going to do the same thing to this side too. I'm going back into Complicated and I'm just blending the outer edges. Alright, so I'm using the shade in Foil. This is more of a golden shade. This is very intense and I just use my fingers. I feel like I use my fingers for everything, but I'm telling you, it works. So why not? This is doing exactly what I wanted it to do. I am so happy. I'm pretty sure because I use this KIKO shadow that it's making a world of a difference. I love how this looks. Golden copper, yes. I use a mixture of my Benefit roller liner and my Hank & Henry because sometimes this roller lash picks up a lot of eye product and it doesn't want to give me the pigment that I'm looking for. See, I just have to use my Hank & Henry on the outer edges to get the thin line that I want.
What are you doing?
Doing my makeup.
Very nice. Looks good.
Thanks.
I'm just getting food.
Okay.
I like that look.
Thank you. I'm just going in and curling my eyelashes. I'm going to use my MARC Jacobs primer to prime my eyelashes, and then I'll go in with my, what is this? Tarte Big Ego Mascara. No eyelashes today, by the way. Alright, so now I'm going to finish off. Oh my goodness, this got so dirty. I'm going to go back into my one eyeshadow palette and I'm going to go into Complicated again, and I'm just going to drag that onto my lower lash line. I just realized I've never used this primer on my lower lash line. I have to try that sometime. I'm so happy this morning. I'm just gonna go in with highlight, and I'm using my BECCA Après Ski Glow Face Palette. I think this was something from last year or the year before, but I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. This is in Opal. I'm gonna lightly dust a little bit of this blushed copper shade onto my cheeks. This is just gonna get me a little bit more of a blush that I'm looking for. We're gonna get a really pretty champagne highlight going on that'll match into that gold glitter on my eyes. I haven't pulled this out in a while and I'm gonna start using this more. I'm gonna use that shade in Opal in my inner corner really quick because I really like that extra shimmer. I'm going to set everything in place with my TATCHA Satin Skin Mist. I really think that this mist is the reason why I can wear dewy highlights and dewy foundations. It like makes everything stay in place, but it helps my skin not look too oily, because when you're fighting the oily skin, you gotta have something that'll fight it back. What? For my lip today, I'm going to use my I Love Sarah ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in 951. This is a classic shade for me. I have two of these actually because I wear them so much. And that finishes the look. I might have to touch up a little bit, like put some type of mattifying powder right here later today, because I have a feeling that is going to break up and I'm just going to have an oily mess. So I'll keep you updated if I end up having a problem, maybe in like the description box below. But for my perfume today, I'm using my Mia blend. This is one of the layered perfumes, and this smells amazing and it's so fall. So I feel like it's so appropriate for Thanksgiving Day. So yeah. Great perfume. I keep on using this quite a bit. I've been spraying those every day. Yeah, so I'm gonna go finish getting dressed and ready for the day, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving day. I suppose I should say it like that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me for Thanksgiving Day, and I will see you very soon in my next video.